How to create a Spotify account. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to create a new Spotify account. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Spotify app. And if you already have an account, that's all right. You can always create a new one. So just tap on your profile icon at the top right, and then tap on add account. So if you already have an account, tap on login. But if you are new and want to create a new account, tap on sign up for free. And from here, you have different options. You can choose to continue with your email, your Google, or your Facebook account. So if I just tap Facebook here, it will connect my Facebook account with my Spotify account. So it will ask me to continue. So just tap on continue with your Facebook. Or if you're using email, you can just enter your email. And as you can see here, you can just enter your email address here. And then from here, tap on next. And then simply tap on login and create account. I already have used this email, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in, but all you have to do here is just create a new account, and that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.